Is your Xfinity TV box constantly rebooting? You're not alone. This is one of the most common technical issues Xfinity customers face today. As of 2025, approximately 15 to 20% of Xfinity customers experience intermittent rebooting issues annually. This problem has become more prevalent with X1 and Flex boxes that rely heavily on cloud-based services. These are typical Xfinity TV boxes that customers use. The X1 and Flex models shown here are the most commonly affected by rebooting issues due to their complex firmware and cloud connectivity requirements. To understand why rebooting happens, let's examine the normal boot process. When you turn on your TV box, it goes through 4 critical steps. First, the power on self-test checks that all hardware components are working properly. This includes memory, processors, and connections. Next, the firmware loading phase initializes the operating system and core software that runs your TV box. Then, network authentication connects your box to Xfinity's servers to verify your account and services. Finally, service activation loads your channel guide, on-demand content, and other features. When any of these steps fail, your box may restart and try again. Now let's examine the main causes of rebooting. The most common culprit is firmware-related issues. These occur when system files become corrupted during automatic updates or when firmware installations are incomplete. Power-related problems are another major cause. TV boxes require stable 12-volt power supply. Issues arise from insufficient power, electrical fluctuations, or aging power adapters that can no longer provide consistent voltage. Finally, hardware malfunctions can cause persistent rebooting. This includes hard drive failures in DVR models, RAM degradation over time, and overheating processors that shut down to protect themselves from damage. Overheating is particularly common when TV boxes don't have proper ventilation. Always ensure your box has adequate airflow around all sides. Understanding these root causes is the first step to solving your rebooting problem. In the next section, we'll explore specific troubleshooting steps to address firmware and power-related issues. The first and most effective troubleshooting step is the power cycle method. This resolves about 65% of rebooting issues by clearing temporary system errors and resetting the connection. Step 1. Unplug the power cord from your TV box and wait exactly 30 seconds. This allows all capacitors to discharge completely and clears the system memory. Step 2. Remove the coaxial cable from the back of the box. This ensures a clean signal reconnection when we plug everything back in. Step 3. Reconnect the power first and wait for the box to fully boot up. You'll see the Xfinity logo and then the welcome screen. This process takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Step 4. Finally, reconnect the coaxial cable and wait 5 to 10 minutes for complete initialization. The box needs time to download the channel guide and authenticate with Xfinity servers. If the power cycle doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is a firmware reset. This addresses corrupted system files that may be causing the rebooting problem. Hold the power button on your TV box for 10 seconds while it's still plugged in. This forces a hardware reset and clears any stuck processes. Then unplug the power cord for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and wait for the welcome screen to appear. This ensures a clean firmware reload. Once you see the welcome screen, navigate to Settings, then Device Settings, then Power Preferences, and select Restart. This completes the firmware reset process. Power supply issues cause about 25% of rebooting problems. Your TV box requires a stable 12-volt power supply. Let's check if your power setup is optimal. First, use a dedicated wall outlet instead of a power strip when possible. Power strips can cause voltage fluctuations that destabilize your TV box. If you must use a power strip, install a surge protector with line conditioning. This protects against power spikes and provides cleaner electricity to your device. You can test your power adapter with a multimeter. The voltage should read around 12 volts, typically between 11.5 and 12.5 volts. If it's outside this range, the adapter needs replacement. Finally, environmental factors play a crucial role in preventing reboots. Overheating is a major cause of system instability, so proper ventilation is essential. Ensure your TV box has at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides. This allows proper airflow to keep the internal components cool and prevents thermal shutdowns. Clean the air vents monthly with compressed air to remove dust buildup. Dust acts as insulation and can cause your TV box to overheat and reboot unexpectedly. These troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of Xfinity TV Box rebooting issues. Start with the power cycle, then try firmware reset if needed, and always ensure proper power supply and ventilation for long-term reliability.